Hello guys, we have brought to you Cyberpower ec850 LCD Ecologic battery backup and surge protector UPS system. 850 VA510W, compact, uninterruptible power supply. I have been testing this product now for over 3 months, and it is working well, although I have not experienced any actual power failure. Since I got it, I have simulated a power failure to test how long to expect the device to last in an actual power failure situation. I did this test with a desktop computer, monitor, bell router, 6 watts energy-saving light bulb, and my dual-motor heavy-duty sit-stand desk all connected. The Cyberpower worked for 1 hour and 55 minutes before shutting down, which will be enough time for me to finish my current tasks and notify my customers in an actual power failure situation. Very good backup for your modem computer, etc. I like how there are spacing between the 2 slots, allow you to plug in those adapters. Battery very good. I plugged with my Synology and detects it right away. There also a slot for replace battery. I will buy this product again. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe.